First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. I hope you guys are having an amazing time जिनके भी घर पे गणपति आता है. And you know, it's a very tough time for the entire world. I just hope we get through these problems and we get through everything and just the world gets back to normal very soon. I pray and I hope we do good this year. This is going to be one epic story and you guys are going to love this one. This is a story about someone very, very, very important in my life. This is a story about how I met Mumbaikar Nikhil. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, I met Mumbaikar Nikhil and this is how. Mumbaikar Nikhil is one of those YouTubers who introduced me to the world of vlogging. He was that one guy who introduced me what are vlogs and what do you mean by sharing your life with the entire world. 2017, March 24th, YTFF, YouTube FanFest Mumbai. 24th March को हुआ था and I was in my room on my bed streaming that YTFF. While I was streaming YTFF 2017 at that time on the YouTube live stream, सिर्फ एक बंदे की एंट्री ऐसी थी which struck out from everyone else. One of the craziest entries I have seen ever on stage. That guy, it was Mumbaikar Nikhil. He was on stage with his Harley Davidson. I am pretty much sure everyone remembers that. That one entry of his got my attention. I was like, यार ये बंदा है कौन और ये इसका चैनल क्या है मतलब exactly. And I was very much like interested and intrigued to know कि इस बंदे का चैनल क्या है. So I searched him up on YouTube and I was instantly hooked to his content. He was probably the only guy at that time in India who was promoting motor vlogging and vlogging in general. And I was like, damn. This is something new and this is something very new in India because उस समय पे it was just AIB and Bhuvan Bam who were ruling the YouTube India का scene. तो थोड़ी बैठ के बातें करते कैसे how did I meet him और क्या क्या story है मेरी और निखिल की and everything. So I have had total of 3 opportunities to actually go see or meet Mumbaikar Nikhil. The first time I ever got an opportunity to see Mumbaikar Nikhil or even have a slightest of the chance to meet Nikhil was the first time he ever held a meetup. Do you guys remember the meetup he held in Kurla Phoenix Market City? That was his first meetup. He was there for an inauguration of some cycle shop in that mall and after that he held a meetup there.
और ये क्या कर रहा है?
Stickers, MNK.
That was a clip from Mumbaikar Nikhil's video और उसमें वो बंदा जो काट रहा था the stickers like or you can call the tickets. So this, I mean, if the camera can focus. This is what I got in that meetup. This is what I have been holding on to my heart since that meetup. I have had this since 2017 and it's been in my wallet since then. It hasn't left that. तो यार ये बहुत special चीज़ है मेरे लिए. This was the first time I ever saw any YouTuber in the first place and I'm glad it was Mumbaikar Nikhil and I'm glad that I went and saw Mumbaikar Nikhil for the first time there. The second time I ever saw Mumbaikar Nikhil was in I guess 2018 YouTube FanFest. I was there in the FanFest. I was a super fan. So what happened basically was my friend got the free passes and a super fan pass for Bionic. Like we had the pass to go and meet Bionic in that you know there is a fan meet in YouTube Fan Fest. तो वो passes मिले हमको and तो we got the entry and we had like we were in the Geo Gardens the whole day. तो निखिल ने I will show you this exact clip right now.
So रेड कार्पेट सेशन होने को अभी काफ़ी टाइम है और काफ़ी लोग जो है ऑलरेडी आगे आ गए हैं। अभी मुझे मीट एंड ग्रीट मुझे नहीं मिली तो मैं अभी मिल लेता हूँ। हो गया, ये लाइव मीट एंड ग्रीट हो गया, लाइव मीट हो गया। अपने इस पे लो क्या है?
That clip which you saw was from Nikhil's vlog, and you see right there in the crowd, everyone cheering in the crowd. I was there. I saw Nikhil there for the second time in my life. I know. रुको. I will tell कि कैसे मिला मैं निखिल को. How did I even meet him? तो first of all तो मेरा कोई इरादा नहीं था उससे मिलने का. मेरा कोई plans भी नहीं थे कि I never hoped that I would ever get to have a chat with Mumbaikar Nikhil or you know even get to meet him in person and at least click a selfie. I had no plans or I had no hope that would happen ever in my life. Being his subscriber since he was at 200k from to 3 million, it was a journey for me. It was like I have learned so much from that guy. I have like उसकी वजह से vloggers देखना शुरू किया मैंने. उसकी वजह से it was like vlogging नाम की चीज़ होती है. उसकी वजह से it is this. That guy is the one who inspired me to actually go and talk to a camera. And I had, if anyone would have told me कि you are going to meet that guy who is right now on stage with his Harley Davidson, I would have never imagined that. But life got some amazing news for me. 15th of April 2019. I was done with my 12th standard and मैं अपने uncle और मेरी मासी के साथ, that means my cousin sister's mom dad, I was going to Singapore, right? And the time of our flight, like the date of our flight was 15th of April. रात की flight थी, I don't remember exact time, but रात की flight थी and उसी सुबह या फिर मैंने उसी सुबह एक्चुअली मुंबईकर निखिल की स्टोरी देखी कि ही इज़ गोइंग टू फ्लाई टू न्यूयॉर्क विथ अदर यूट्यूब क्रिएटर्स. दैट इज़ ही वॉज गोइंग टू फ्लाई फ्रॉम हियर टू न्यूयॉर्क विथ प्राजक्ता कोहली. एंड आई हैड द स्लाइटेस्ट होप. आई हैड लाइक zero hopes, if you can say, that I'm actually going to meet Mumbaikar Nikhil because we have flights to catch on the same day. I had no hope. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा था ना कि यार कुछ ट्राई करते, कुछ तो एटलीस्ट कर ही लेते ना कि अगर आगे जाके मिल भी गए, I mean even the chances are very low. If I meet him, I would at least have his merch on. तो I had his Label MN का hoodie, the black color We Can Be Heroes का hoodie, which I don't have right now with me, but I wore it to the airport and I had no idea कि Mumbaikar Nikhil is going to even meet me. So what happened, we got into the airport, we checked in, security check वगैरह हो गया and we were in the food court. And you know how much Mumbaikar Nikhil spends his time in food court at the airport. You guys know that. तो what happened was कि सब काम हो गया था, मतलब check in हो गया था. We got the seats, we got the tickets, we got the security check done, we got everything done, sorted. We are just waiting to board the plane. Now what happened was I was looking for a bench or a place to sit so that our family could eat something before we board the flight. I was looking for seats, I was looking for a place, and I see this bearded guy, this huge bearded guy who is, sitting with someone, and I was like, wait a second, I have seen this guy somewhere. Yes, you probably have guessed it. It was Sudeep Lahiri. If you don't know who Sudeep Lahiri is, he's one of the big guys in One Digital Entertainment. Like basically Prajakta Kohli's manager. And I looked around him and I saw Prajakta. The moment I saw Mostly Sane, aka Prajakta Kohli, I ran back to my sister. I literally ran back to my sister and I was like, dude, there is Prajakta Kohli sitting there. There is Prajakta Kohli sitting there. Then me and my sister went and we met Prajakta Kohli and I asked her very basic question. Are you waiting for Mumbaikar Nikhil? Is he going to come as well? And she looked at me. Prajakta Kohli, Mostly Sane, looked at me. And she goes like, Nikhil is right here. And I looked to my left. And he's there. He's sitting right there. And I flipped my head out. It was like, it was a dream come true for me. मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या बोलूँ क्या नहीं. It was, I have been following that guy since probably 2 years or more than that now, and that day, that night, when I never imagined I would meet him, I actually did. I saw him, he looked at me, the moment I shouted at an airport, he was looking at me, he laughed like, yeah, oh, it's okay, hi, how are you? And then the craziest thing ever happened. He picked up his camera, he turned on the recording, and he took me in his vlog. Yes guys, I am in Mumbaikar Nikhil's vlog. Here is that clip.
You're looking nice.
Okay, fine. Here you go.
आज मैंने अपना हुडी नहीं पहना. He wore it. What's your name?
Man actually. Man Gandhi.
Man Gandhi.
Yes.
Nice meeting you.
I'm a huge fan.
Thank
so
you.
I like
Thank
it.
you.
That was just a crazy experience of my life. And I am glad that I am sharing it with the whole world. यार तुम लोग उस क्लिप में देख सकते हो how much I am excited and how much I was, यार मैं काँप रहा था, ऐसे थर हो रहे थे मैं अभी भी बोलता हूँ ना उस बारे में, उस इंसिडेंट के बारे में, अभी भी हाथ काँपते हैं मेरे. The next day we landed in Singapore and as usual I checked YouTube. I opened up YouTube, मेरे को notification आया निखिल के vlog का. I opened that video, I watched the whole thing and I saw myself in that vlog. That vlog has over like 600k views or something or more probably. I don't exactly remember the number, but imagine having that much amount of people looking at you every day of your life. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that just pure madness? I mean, after that vlog was released by Nikhil, I remember vaguely I received over 50 plus DMs of my friends who were like, dude, you are in his vlog. And that's when I realized the power of, social media or, getting audience on social media. यार देखो, मैंने ना बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें सुनी हैं मुंबईकर निखिल के बारे में कि वो एटीट्यूड वाला बंदा है या फिर वो किसी से ढंग से बात नहीं करता या फिर उसमें ईगो है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, व्हेन आई मेट हिम, व्हेन आई टॉक्ड टू हिम, उसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ही इज़ legit one of the most sweetest person I have ever talked to. Also, Mostly Sane is also like that. यार बहुत प्यारे लोग हैं ये. They are so humble, they are so down to earth. And that's what you have to learn from such people. That's where you know कि you are following right people. I learn so much from him every day. भले उसके vlogs पता है देखो या फिर his Insta stories or whatever you consume from him, there is always this little things which he teaches you or you get to learn from it. That is very important. And if ever Mumbaikar Nikhil watches this, if Nikhil bhai, if you are watching this, I probably don't think you will, but if you do, just remember that I love you. We all do, in fact. All your subscribers, all your OG fans love you and do everything what you're doing right now. Just keep going, and thank you for inspiring so many lives at once. Your videos do make an impact on us. Thank you so much and I love you. मुंबईकर निखिल के बारे में वीडियो था ना, तो that's it for this video guys. I hope सबको पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक करो एंड शुक्रान, अलविदा, मा सलामा, टेक केयर and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.